everyone! We have cupcakes and frosting and we need to match the shape. So let's start with this green frosting. This is a hexagon. Which shape is a hexagon? Is it this shape? No, that's a diamond. Is it this shape? Yes, there's the hexagon. Let's just stick it right there. Oh, look how yummy that is. Next, we'll do this turquoise icing. It has a rectangle. Which one is a rectangle? Is it this one? No, that's the diamond. Is it this one? No, that's a star. Here it is. Here's the rectangle. Look how yummy that cupcake looks. Next, we'll do this blue frosting. It has a heart shape. Do you see the heart shape? Yes, it's right here. Let's put the frosting on it. There we go. Next, let's do this red frosting. It has a square. Which cupcake has a square shape in it? Here it is. Here's the square. There we go. Next, let's do the orange frosting. It has a triangle on it. It has 3 sides. 1, 2, 3. Is this the triangle? No. Is that the triangle? No. Here it is. Here's the triangle. It has 3 sides just like the frosting. All finished with that one. Next, let's do the purple frosting. It has a diamond shape. We know where the diamond shape is. It's right here. See, they both match. There's our purple cupcake. Next, let's do the yellow frosting. It's a circle. Let's grab the circle cupcake. There we go. And last is our pink frosting. And it has a star shape on the back. And we have one more cupcake with a star. Here's our pink cupcake. Now we're all finished. We need to cook our cupcakes. Let's use our magic oven. Alright, let's stick our cupcakes into our magic oven. Let's start with our pink cupcake. Oh my goodness, our cupcake turned into Princess Elsa. Hi, Elsa. She's wearing a blue dress and she has a pretty snowflake in her hair. Next, let's start with our yellow cupcake. Oh wow, our yellow cupcake turned into Rubble. He has a yellow hat and collar. Hi Rubble, go sit by Elsa. Now let's do our orange cupcake. Into the magic oven. All finished. Oh, look, there's a surprise. It looks like we have a Peppa Pig macro light. And we have Peppa Pig. How fun is that? Go sit by the others, Peppa Pig. Okay. Let's do this dark blue cupcake next. Oh, look, it's Super Chase. Chase is on the case. Go sit by the others, Chase, while we cook the other cupcakes. Let's do this red cupcake next. Oh, look, we have another toy surprise. This one is from Charles. Let's open it up. We got Branch. Look at his blue, fluffy hair. Go sit by the others, Branch. We'll do our light green cupcake next. Oh, look, we have Rapunzel. She has a purple dress with yellow long hair. Look at that long hair. Go sit by the others, Rapunzel. Next, we have our purple cupcake. Let's put it in our magic oven. Oh, look, it's Skye in her mission uniform and her mission car. Let's watch her zoom. Oh, Skye, why didn't you go drive by the others? Last is our turquoise cupcake. Look, we have a squinky squishy gumball surprise. Let's open it up and see what we got. In this blue gumball, there's a little kitty. This kitty is brown and white. Inside the pink gumball. Oh, look, it's a sparkly puppy. Look how cute it is. It's very shiny. Go sit by the others. That's it for this episode. Hit the like button below and see you next time. The pups were on a mission and now I can't find them. I need your help to locate where the pups are. We're right here, Ryder. What? Did you hear the pups? We're over here, Ryder. Do you guys know where that sound's coming from? It sounds like the pups. Turn around, Ryder. All I see is a bunch of cupcakes. Ryder doesn't see us. Ryder, we are the cupcakes. The pups have been turned into pupcakes. Will you help me turn them back to pups? Great! Okay everyone, let's help Ryder turn the cupcakes back to pups. Let's start with this green cupcake. What pup do you think it is? I think it might be Rocky. Let's put him in our magic microwave and see. It was Rocky after all! Hi, Rocky! Oh boy, it feels good to be normal again! Thanks! Next, let's do this yellow cupcake. I think this might be Rubble. Oh, look, it is Rubble! Look at that! Hi, Rubble! Hello, everyone! Let's do this orange cupcake next. Who do you think this is? Put in the comments below who you think is the orange cupcake. Oh, look at Zuma! Hi, Zuma! So good to see you again. So good to see you too! Let's do this blue cupcake next. I think this might be Chase, because Chase loves to wear blue. Welcome back, Chase. I wonder who this red cupcake could be. Let's put him in the microwave and see. Oh, Marshall, it looks like you went for a spin. This pink cupcake must be Skye. It is Skye! Welcome back, pups! It's so good to see you again, and you're in your mission uniforms! Hey, thanks for helping me save the pups! That's all for this video. See you next time! To see more fun videos, subscribe! Bye, kids!